Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel, G RAThbun. Hey, you're getting ready to start an adventure with me to Sturgis, South Dakota, 2023. Oh, what a time we had. I have many a video coming up your way, and I hope you enjoy them all. It's not all about just partying and girls. Sometimes there's other things to do too. But enjoy what you're about to see. Thanks for following. Grab that cup of coffee.
Okay guys, this video, what's it going to be about? Well, let's get my pen down here where I can see. You already seen this video. We went over here and we stopped at this stop sign. Now we went a little ways down the road and turned right into here. Went by Sylvie Lake. We turned on to 87 down this way. And we got into Custer Park. Now this right here is where we're going to end this one. Like I said, these are only going to be 10-minute videos. I don't want you guys to get bored. I want you to look at the whole video and enjoy it. But we're going to stop right here, take a few photos. I didn't do any big filming there. I've done it many times. But this is where it's going to end this one. That took us a lot more than 10 minutes to do that. But I've shortened it down, added music to it, and by the way, how does my new camera look? I got a new one. Yes, we're filming with it right now. Okay, we're going to stop right there. Then we're going to continue on down. Like I said, we did this whole thing, and it's going to take a lot of videos to get her done, but we will. Woo, boy, that was fun. And it wasn't too hot. Well, as I just said in the promo, this is where the stop sign is. You turn here on 16. Now then, I'm just going to throw some words up here, let you know where we're turning, what we're doing. But we're just running down here, not very far, as you can see, till you turn off. I will post on here where we are, at what time, so you can tell where we're going, in case you want to go there too. But I'm also going to throw some music on right now. people. Right there. Hi, Vicky. Who always wears her skid lid, and that's her choice, and that's just okay by me. But I'm going to throw this on there. Don't know when we'll get reception for you to see it, but it is beautiful, as you can see. Boy, that 10 minutes went by fast, didn't it? But that's as long as we're going to make this video right here. We'll start up right here where this one ends at the eye of the needle, or needle of the eye. What do you call it? Poke your finger in the eye. Anyway, we're going to start right here. So on the very next video. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. We got a lot more to come. Hey, I want you to subscribe to all these guys listed above here. Each one of us, we're on the same trip, but we seen a lot of different things because we're all different people. Some went downtown, some went to races, some went out to Alzada, and you're only going to see those Alzada videos on Cool website. So check out all of the sites on there and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.